Good evening. This is the newsletter for this week, December 10th through the 14th. Our specials are the same. Just remember to wear tennis shoes if you wear anything other than that on PE days. In Math, Module 4, we are working on area. Topic B is about measuring area. Today we worked on completing rectangles that had missing tiles in order to find the two side links needed to find area. We started math tier time last week, where students are being pulled in small groups to work on skills they still need support and more time with, and or working on a project. Students should still be coming home with homework daily, except for Fridays, 2 to 3 math problems, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays there should also be some reading or phonics practice. For science, Unit 3 is about life cycles. So today we did comparing and contrasting different life cycles. We did a plant life cycle and an animal life cycle, and we compared and contrasted the two. In January, we should be getting a tadpole in our classroom so that we can watch it transform and go through the life cycle and turn into a frog. In Unit 3 for reading, our story this week is called Yonder Mountain, a Cherokee Legend. Our comprehension strategy is compare and contrast, so we'll get lots of practice with that. Our phonics, we're working on contractions and spelling. Words came home today, so make sure you guys are practicing those throughout the week. For writing, we're doing informative paragraphs and subject-verb agreement. All missing, corrected, and work students are wanting to redo for a better grade need to be turned in by this Friday, December the 14th. This is the end of the second 9 weeks. I sent home progress reports about 2 weeks ago, maybe last week, but I know I sent it home recently. So if you're wanting any of the missing work, or you need me to help your student find their missing work, just don't hesitate and let me know. We have one more Study Zone Wednesday, which will be this Wednesday, where students can come in and get caught up or work on something they want to redo or work on missing work. Important dates this week. Tomorrow is our WSU women's basketball field trip. I have all but 3 permission slips turned in, so if you haven't, please make sure to send that with your student tomorrow. This is a all-school field trip, so there is no option to not go because we don't have a place for them to be. So if your student is not wanting to go or not able to go, you will have to keep them at home. Avid Night is also tomorrow from 5:30 to 7, and there have been several flyers that went home about that, so just look in your students' yellow homework folder. On the 13th of this week is our PTO meeting at 4:30, and winter break begins next Wednesday through January the 2nd. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate, and have a great week.